Hey you guys, it's Tootie. I know it's been a while. I'm in a new place. Actually moved countries. I had a lot going on for the past few months. But I wanted to bring you guys with another video. Now, I'm gonna try to be more regular. I just got this crock pot, Pioneer Woman. This is one of my dream crock pots. I want all her stuff. I love the Pioneer Woman. I'm gonna be doing a review on that. But today, I actually have some catfish. Now, I was living in Canada, back in the US now. I never got to buy catfish out there. They didn't sell it where I was living. I don't know what parts they do, but I had to try it. So I got some catfish nuggets at Walmart. I'm just using some random fish fry. I think this is the New Orleans one. I'll show you guys the bag after, but it's really easy. You just wash your fish. I kind of cleaned it, and I try to get as much as that gray residue off as possible. Then I just put it in the fish fry, and then I'm cooking these for about 6 minutes. They've been in there for about 5 minutes, I would say, already. So I'm just gonna give it a few more minutes. But sorry, got a call. My daughter's got Skype friends, cousins, and everybody calling right now. But yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and take this out because these look like they're done to me. Like I said, it's been in there about 5 minutes already. Got a minute left. I got a timer on it. I'm just taking them out and putting them on this paper towel. These look so good. But this is actually my first time cooking catfish. I always cook like sole or whatever, tilapia, stuff like that. Now, I really wanted to try this, so these look super good. They were super easy. The only thing I didn't like was like the cleaning part, pulling off as much of that like residue, that gray silver stuff. Try to get as much off as possible. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys what I do after I get all these out. This is real simple. It's not gonna be a long video whatsoever. Guys, give me tips and pointers if I'm doing something wrong that you guys don't think I should be doing. But I didn't show you my cleaning process, but I told you I just put them in cold water. That's my timer right there. Some is done, but they were looking kind of done, so I have it set at between a 6 and like a 7-ish for heat wise. This is what I usually cook my fish on. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys what I do. Let me cut this off. It's not beeping so much. Okay, let's see. Cancel. How do we stop this? Okay, there we go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one, just put in the fish fry. Shake it off. Oh, let me make sure I got it covered. And I just put it in like that. I'm just using like veggie oil. Nothing fancy. Just gonna put it in like so. I'm gonna try to get as many of these in as possible. Don't mind my kids. I always tell you guys that, my kids in the background. But yeah, guys, I moved countries. I was in Canada, and now I am in the US. This is where I'm from. I was out there with my husband for work for a while. So I'm happy to be home with all my family and stuff. It's hard living away from your family. So I'm happy to be home with my mom and my sisters and everybody again. Out of the cold country. Got some heat where I'm at. But anywho, I'm gonna just continue on this. Like I said, give me some tips, give me some pointers, guys, if you guys have any for me. But this is basically it, guys. I'll show you guys what I'm serving it with when I'm done. This is just easy. I'm just coating these, frying them for 6 minutes, and taking them out. And I'm using the New Orleans fish fry. I'll show you the package. And the catfish is just Walmart. Great value brand. They had like a 2-pound bag. It was pretty cheap. It was like $5, something like that, $5 or $6 for 2 pounds. So I thought that's a really good deal. So let me try it. Oops, I've gotten stuff all over the floor now. In Canada, groceries are a lot more expensive, so I'm really enjoying the cheaper grocery prices right now. So all right, you guys, so I'll be back. I'll show you guys what I served this with, but before that, I'll show you I'm gonna show you guys a bag of fish fry in case you want to try it if you haven't. Okay? All right, you guys. So this was a fish fry I used. Now I poured the whole bag on a paper plate. I probably could have just used half of it. This cost about $1 and change. So this was a really, really good deal. You don't have to add any salt. It's pre-seasoned, so that's why I didn't season the fish at all, because I've done that before and it made it way too salty. So you don't even need to do it. That's why this is so easy. Don't mind all the noise in the background. We're breaking down boxes and everything like that. But give this a try, guys. This is one of my favorite ones, and I like the Zatarain's one too. So give this a try, you guys, if you haven't. And I'll show you guys what we're eating tonight. All right? Bye. All right, you guys. So I don't know if you've tried these. This is one of the things I'm going to add with the fish. It's like fish and chips type thing. I never tried these. This is going to be my first time trying these seasoned french fries. My sister told me they are so good. You have to try these. These are the ones I buy. So I was like, okay, I'm going to go ahead and try them. But, yeah, so I'm going to just pop these in the air fryer. And I'm going to whip up like a little quick salad. And that's going to be it for tonight. Like I said, we're really busy. I'm going to be making a trip to Sam's Club. I'm going to take you guys with me there. But, yeah, this is the french fries I'm going to be using tonight. All right, you guys, I'm at a Walmart. I'm at Sam's Club. I need to get some paper towels, and I need to get a few things. So I'm going to go ahead and grab these. These look good to me. Toss in the cart. We got, what are these? A wagon. I wanted that for the zoo and different places for my twins. Let's see. I'm looking for toilet paper now. Let's see, I see paper. We're gonna try to find the toilet paper, guys. All right, you guys. So this is what we're having tonight. The light, everything looks a little darker because of the lighting for some reason, but it doesn't look that dark in real life. But anyway, I just, like I said, I had some Caesar salad mix. I had to eat up. I have had some frozen fries, and I did the fish. So that's what we're having for dinner tonight. Like I said, give me some tips on frying this fish. It tastes pretty good. My kids actually love it. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.